To Kerala Blasters pre-match press conference. Morning, coach. Morning, Noah.
Good morning.
I'll have a few questions I'm asking on behalf of the media.
Okay.
So, the first question to the coach.
Yeah.
What do you reckon as positive for Kerala Blasters this season?
It's a key. Lot of things are the main important things to the development of few players to the level like Koro Singh and Yomba and a lot of players made it, and we had a better performance in a lot of matches, but the results didn't come to up. That's only the negative thing what we face and what we are in right now. So the positive things are a lot of efforts were there from the players as a unit. They played a fantastic performance throughout some good matches. So some factors happens like it went negative due to the results going against us. But mostly the performance side, I think that's a positive thing, and the efforts from the players is appreciable.
Thank you, coach. Will we witness some of the youngsters getting an opportunity against Hyderabad FC?
Kerala Blasters as a team, I think, giving every youngsters, not no matter it's a last match, first match, everything they performs, they are in the squad, and we are very much appreciated to give them the opportunity to play well. So this is how we bring the youngsters to the level, to the ISL and to the national team, and obviously we have some very good youngsters, and we will keep on doing their good things to develop them to the level where they deserves.
Thank you, coach. Moving to another set of questions.
Yep.
First to coach. Coach, injuries like past few seasons has been the key barrier in our performance this season. We had seen one of your staff talking in the social media and saying it's not just a medical team but more to it. Can you give us a highlight on it?
Injuries, every team has its own up and downs. I was telling before also, sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down, but it happens like this. Now I'm not worried, or we not analyzing regarding injuries. Is not a good time to tell or a bad time to tell, but we are only focusing on the matches. Now it's the last match in front of us, and after that we have the Super Cup to be focused, and we will analyze everything after the season maybe, and we will finalize a good thing to go forward in a good manner.
Thank you, coach. Nora Fernandez has been impressive in the 2-3 games he's played till now. Why wasn't he tried before when we had Sachin and Son being shaky in front of the post?
I don't think pointing a player like to Sachin making like he's shaky or not like that, but it happens to all the players. Sometimes a good times, sometimes a bad times. So we have to be supporting him as a goalkeeper who comes to the level to the national team and everything. He is a promising player. We have to focus on his abilities, and we have to support him. That's we have supported him, and also we are supporting Nora or Zone or whoever comes as youngsters. We are ready to give them chance to develop there and bring more good players to the national team and the ISL. That's how everything goes in a good manner.
Thank you, coach. Now, I have a couple of questions to you. Hi, good morning. How different has been it adapting in Kerala from Goa?
To be fair, when I got to Kerala, I felt welcome. All my teammates, the coaching staff, the management, really, especially the first days, it was really a warm welcome. So it was easy for me to adapt. Here people love football, just same as Goa, and it didn't take much for me to feel comfortable in the team.
Thank you, Noah. I have another question to you. We had seen an interaction between you and Luna earlier this season. Is everything well between you two? How do you see the rumors?
I knew that was coming.
It's over.
Yeah, it's been over after the game. We obviously spoke about it as grown men, and we are teammates, and we will do everything for the club to be good. And he's a great teammate. He's a great leader. There was obviously miscommunication, heat of the moment, but it's been long gone. So I hope people can put it aside and move on.
Great, man. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Coach, have the last question per question.
You can ask more questions.
Since the Super Cup is confirmed along with the nation slot, will we have a full score to participate in it, or will it be an experimental one like last season?
Yeah, it's our last chance to give the make us this season in a perfect way. So we will do our everything to get that trophy back to ourselves. Let's try for that, and we are preparing for that. Since we had started from this last 2 matches, we are preparing for that, and we will hopefully will go throughout for that.
Thank you, coach. Thank you, and all the best for the next match. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.